So these are the best codes for rivals on Roblox. They actually added these new codes and they're so strong that you will be super shocked. So if you want to look for codes, you can either search on Google or open up the game and then go to their description. It should be right here. And if you don't see any codes, then that's fine because I will be showing you a list full of them. So here are the codes for rivals. I'm going to go through them each one, but you can pause the video and just copy it yourself. So the first one and the newest one is 5B visits with what and a lot of T's, like 6 T's and also underscores within each word. This will give you a finisher for all of the weapons, which is actually a crazy gift or a crazy code because they don't really give out a lot of finishers, so make sure you use this before it actually expires. The next one is Community 13. This will give you a community wrap and as well as the other community codes. Just do community and then 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, up until 4. And the next one is thank you underscore 1B visits with an exclamation mark at the end. This will give you a 1B visits wrap, which is a pretty good wrap. So you should go on ahead and check it out and redeem the code yourself. So the next one is 100M visits. This will give you a charm for all of the weapons and you can use it however you like. And lastly, we have bonus. This will give us a key. Maybe it can unlock a crate or a secret door, but that's purely up to you because you have to claim these codes yourself and you have to do it right now before they expire. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial works or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.